Hey everyone, Toy Smuggler here, and this is episode 6. Thank you for joining me. And today we're talking about the brightening process, taking a yellowed figure and turning white back again. And what we do is we use the Salon Care 40. This is the liquid version, the clear. It just looks just like the regular peroxide, but that's 3% that you get at Walmart, and this is 12%. And like I said, you just put it in a jar, and like I said, in this process, I want to go ahead right up the bat and tell you I apologize. It's been a crazy 2 weeks trying to get this video out. The big thing is this stuff is you got to have great sunlight. If you don't have great sunlight, it just doesn't work. And I've been fighting for great sunlight. I didn't get any till this week, but I done got part of this video shot, and with the one great day that I had, boom, I got called in for a meeting up in Chattanooga, and I had to go do that. So I had to dump everything in the jar and hit the road. So actually what I'm getting ready to show you is kind of like the part 2 to that, because the AT-AT driver, I'm going to show you some pictures up here. He turned out he was extremely yellow. So he actually took 2 days to get all the yellow out of him. So just hold tight. I'm going to take you to that step. I want to show you this part 2 on kind of how I set all that up. Hey, Kevin here, the Toy Smuggler, and I want to apologize right off the bat. Yesterday I was able to do we're on the part 3 of the bleaching of the AT-AT and the R2-D2 and stuff. We had a great sunny day yesterday, but at the last minute, I had some business come up and I had to go out of town, so I just didn't want to waste a good sunny day because I knew the next few days was going to be like today, partly cloudy. So what I decided to do is just rush them in and give them a pre-treatment. As you can see, the AT-AT driver is almost there. He's really close. So what I was going to do today is take him and I think his name is 21B, if I'm not, or no, which one is this one? I'm trying to remember. He's from the Jabba the Hutt. I can't remember his name right off the bat. Neat little character though, great sculpt on him and stuff, but he's just a little off-white. I just want to see if I can clean. I got 2 of these, so this is my experiment to clean them up. They both kind of look the same, so that way I can do a comparison to what one looks like going for this peroxide. And this is 12% peroxide, by the way, not your average Walmart 3%. Huge difference. You're not going to see the same results with the 3%. So once again, like I said, I apologize for rushing this, and so this is going to be actually the part 2 of that. And I'll put some pictures up on how the R2-D2s turned out and the Hoth Commander. They both turned out extremely well. So you just take, he needs a round 2, needs a little bit more. And as you see how they want to tend to float up. Them and the Stormtroopers are very buoyant because they're hollow inside. So what I tend to do, stuff it in here to kind of keep that head submerged down. Pop the lid on it, and I set this on full. So what little bit of light we do get, or we get a good light, this helps refract it and gets it in there in all the hard to reach places. But I want to kind of lean it toward. So let's go this way. Let's try that right there. And sometimes you want to rotate it throughout the day and stuff like that. So this right here, we're going to let it, it's going to be partly cloudy day. So we're going to start off on this side of the condo, and then by lunchtime we'll be able to get better sunlight toward the back. And hopefully by this evening I'll finish out this video and we'll see the finished results. Alright, welcome back. Alright, thank you for, like I said, it's a crazy video. I know, like I said, I apologize, but great results that come out of it. Now, right off the bat, put some pictures up. I'm going to show it to you right here. The AT-AT came out amazing. I mean, that second round just really clean. And the funny thing is that, I mean, I told you, I think the beginning of the video, or during that video when I was done it, his red little insignias, I think during the washing process, was just totally gone. You couldn't see them. But funny thing is, that brightening process brought the little insignias back. They're yellow, but it's just funny how you know, they totally was gone, but yet this brought them back. I thought that was kind of a neat little feature. But then you had your Hoth Commander, and this guy right here from the Jabba the Hutt's palace. Like I said, I was just brightening him up. He wasn't that bad. I was just getting him a good deep cleaning. And same thing with I really didn't have to do it with the Hoth Commander, but I just really wanted to give him a great cleaning. And like I said, some of these old figures, the plastic breaks down. Whoa, about dropped him. The plastic breaks down in the limbs, and they almost kind of look like they mold, but it's just where the plastic breaks down. Sometimes that brightening process really strengthens them backs up and kind of covers that up a little bit. But the major characters on this thing is the two R2-D2s, and you know, wow, boy, them two, as you seen earlier, they were just shot. But I could not been any more pleased how they turned out. Both the torsos and everything just turned out bright white, just beautiful. Both the sets of legs turned out great and everything. And the domes, like I said, I'm not doing anything with these domes. The regular R2-D2, he's got quite a few little scratches, but to me, it really adds a lot of character to it. And I mean, a lot of people just, oh, you got to re-chrome. Come on, people, that's very expensive. And time you re-chrome this, you're putting more money in probably what the character's even worth, what the toy's worth. So, to me, I think it adds character, because if you look at R2 throughout the movie, he's nasty, dirty, oily, greasy, scratches, he's been blasted. Makes him look a little bit more authentic. And the other R2-D2, the telescoping R2, his dome actually is extremely clean. Only thing I might do is touch up on some of this weird aqua blue and stuff, but everything else looks really good. I can't wait. He's going back in my collection. And like I said, I never had this as a child, and like I said, I'm looking forward to putting this in my collection, and everything. And so this right here was a total success. It's a pain, aggravating pain for a little over a week, but is very successful. So all these figures now are ready to go to the painting and sticker process. So stay tuned to that, and we'll make these figures look like brand new.